Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to view the transferred photos in your Discord chat on your Android device. If you've been wondering where those precious images go after you receive them, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and open the Discord app. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged in and ready to explore. Now, find and open the chat where the photos were shared. This could be a one-on-one conversation or a group chat, whatever you prefer. Next, take a look at the top of your screen, and you'll see the contact name. Tap on it. This will bring up the profile details for that chat, giving you access to more options. Once you're in the profile section, look for the media option and tap on it. Here, you will discover a gallery of all the attachments shared in that chat, including the photos you're hunting for. You can easily scroll through the images, tap on any that catch your eye, and view them in full size. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated to view the transferred photos in your Discord chat on your Android device. It's a simple process that makes keeping track of your shared memories effortless. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and happy chatting on Discord.